Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share on how to teach new song to children. 7 steps to teach new song. This is the fastest way of learning new song. Step 1. Before you teach any new song, you should first learn it for yourself. Step 2. Sing the song and ask children to just listen and watch. Then sing the song one more time. Step 3. Ask children to repeat after wordings as you say little by little. Step 4. Ask children to repeat after the action. Step 5. Ask children to sing la 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 la. Then repeat it again. Step 6. Sing together. Step 7. Children try to sing by themselves. In this way, you will have no problem introducing new song. And it makes learning much easier. I'm going to demonstrate by teaching one song. Hello children, today I'm going to teach you a song on this sound ah ah ah. Are you excited? Say oh yes. Very good. But first, I want you to listen to Miss Angeline very carefully and watch as I sing, all right? Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They coursing me alarm. I'll sing it again. Listen carefully. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They coursing me alarm. Now I want you to repeat after me. As I say the wordings, please repeat. All right? Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They coursing me alarm. Now do the action. Put your right hand to your left hand and say ah 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 ah. Look at the picture. Say it again. Ah 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 ah. Very good. Now we will sing la 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 la. Let's sing it together. La 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 la. Okay, I hope you are ready now to sing the song, right? So let's sing it together. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They coursing me alarm. Excellent. Now you sing it on your own. Practice it again until you learn it well. Alright? Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful. See you next video. Bye bye.